Okay. So hi all. Today we are going to discuss about some ransomware analysis, how we are going to investigate if there is any ransomware attempt happened. Someone has identified, or you are going to search for any suspicious activity on your computer, how to start, where to start. So it is a kind of, other type of, analysis knowledge you are gaining. If there is any alert comes for that, okay, this particular system has ransomware identified, then what steps you follow, okay, or else you have to provide a lot of information apart from the alert what you have seen, right? You have to provide a lot of information, like with what computers it is communicating, how it is actually invoked this particular file, which is the source, okay. From where, what are other computers this is trying to communicate, and after that, what is the impact of this particular the computer, which is like, is it infected any other computer, all such kind of a things you will come to know. Okay, so now doing the threat hunting also, if someone asks you like, could you please help me in getting done, like, in our computers anywhere some suspicious activity is not happening or something, you can tell this scenario as well. One, after getting any incident, sorry, alert, like, for you when you are doing the analysis, gathering more information, that time also is useful. And also, if there is any such uh, activity, like where you have to go and do some kind of hunting, yeah, that time also it is like, with open mind, you will go and you'll search for the entire logs. In that way also you can think, but instead, like here we are focusing on um, you know uh, maybe one computer. You'll be focusing that time at entire organization. Does it has got, this specific set of parameters that says that, yeah, there is some kind of, compromise happened, or like someone has attempted to compromise the machine. Okay, so we are going to learn that particular knowledge today. Okay. Okay, as previously said, there is some ransomware. What is this ransomware? Ransomware is nothing but a malware. Okay, when as and when someone is going to insert any pen drive or something, okay, or someone is like, clicking on some URL, okay, the file gets downloaded, that payload gets downloaded. If in case if you click that, or automatically if it gets executed by launching the command prompt based on the scripts it is written, what it will do, it will start encrypting all the useful files on the machine, like PDFs, PPTs, um, XLS, okay, Word documents, or any other important file extensions which are useful for you. You are developing one software. Okay, that development of a software includes some DLL files, okay, INI files, something, configuration files, lot many things are there. So that software, whatever you have developed, okay, so those files also they will encrypt if that extension is there in them. Okay, so what is the advantage what he'll get? Since he is encrypting all those such information, he is going to like, uh, do that particular encryption, okay, in the particular malicious script. He has written something called as, with this particular public key, please encrypt, like that he'll be doing. Okay, so using that particular key, that script will encrypt all these files which are there in the computer. So now your project important files are there in that computer, and they all got encrypted. Okay, and they will be showing you some message, something like this. Okay, please, for your computer is, got encrypted or something like this. Okay, and also, as I said, like, WannaCry is one among the famous ransomwares. WannaCry, Petaya, WannaCry, okay, DearCry, all these are, some of the different types of ransomwares. Okay, so yeah, recent one is DearCry, okay, which is very famous, means DearCry, you can say. Okay, okay, give me a second. Yeah. Okay, now See, this particular thing, like, where it is, yeah, this particular thing, like, they will give you timer or everything. After some time, like, it will be lost, like, I'm not going to reach out to you or something kind of information. I mean, like, wantedly they are telling this time bound and all, and he'll give such information, and they'll ask for payment not in the rupees or anything, in the Bitcoin address, okay, or any other digital currency address, not like, rupees or INRs or, I mean, sorry, dollars or anything. Okay. And after that, you have to, payment. Once after you do, you have to, uh, you know, uh, reach out to him, and then, like, he might have given you email address here, okay, or here contact. Okay. Then they will check it, and then you have to just, he will give you some public key. When you click decrypt, it asks for the, sorry, private key. Okay, he will give private key. Once if you put private key, then if you like click decrypt, you will get a private key option, and so if you give it and then decrypt it, entire system will get, like, become normal. But it is not guaranteed that 100% he'll give you the private key. This is what you have to remember. This is what the scenario. Okay, so which is happened, okay, on a computer earlier, or it might be going to happen on your office computer or your computer. So now, whether, like, if it happens or if it is going to happen, how I am going to go detect? First, the investigation, all the steps, all possibilities we are going to learn. Okay, so the first thing, it is like, first to identify the victim's IP address. Okay, here they say, for example, you have come to know that um, first you are going to get, like, what do you say, like, if at alert itself, you have come to know that, not alert, someone, like, system got compromised, and you have come to know that. Now you have to do investigation. System got compromised, malware is also not able to detect, sorry, antivirus is also not able to detect. Now you are doing your investigation part. Okay, so because you have to improve the process in a way that next time if similar kind of alert comes, you should be in a position to fix it or do it on your own to, detect them. Okay, like, write the correlation rules and keep them ready. If you find this kind of pattern, then immediately alert will come. Okay, now the first part. Okay, first you have a host. Okay, so you have come to know this is the machine. Sorry, this is the machine where, let me open this. Okay, this is a machine where all the, this one has compromised. Okay, but just looking at this, like, so many logs, okay, and this, so many type of source types are there. Okay, still it is going on. Okay, it is not possible for you to just detect what happened completely. Okay, so consider this particular scenario. Okay, is helping you to understand from like, someone inserted the pen drive, and then after that, so first your focus should be like, does someone has, because web you can do any point of time, because if someone is, like, clicking any web page and all, like, it will be the same process. Instead of drive, it is from the web page to the reverse process, like, something getting downloaded. Okay, now we'll learn this particular part where if someone has inserted, that is because could be a lot of chances, because web we have very good control, but admin privileges people who are in the offices can insert anything. Okay, so that is the reason. So now what you are going to do first? Okay, usually if you have some kind of source type, you will be having this kind of, lot many things. But which particular log set will help you in understanding more about anything, like malicious thing? Okay, it is through XML win event logs, which is related to sysmon logs. Okay, so sysmon logs is very important for anyone, like, to understand if there is anything bad happened, because that is the location where even if it is some process gets executed will be, identified, can be, recorded, or if any process is doing network related communication also, you can come to know. Am I correct or not here? Guys,
Yes, sir.
Sysmon logs, guys, everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
now,
sir.
now let us, okay, this is the computer which, correct, right? Now let's go for only that computer. Source type, okay, is equal to XML. Okay, this Sysmon logs, okay, in bots we were only in Sysmon logs, okay. And once after getting that, okay, what I'm doing, okay, wherever this particular host, because I'll be having this multiple computers with this particular information, okay, but what I'll do, I will be, collecting host is equal to this one, okay. Host means from where that machine, infected machine, the computer which has sent the logs, right, these logs, okay, that particular, okay. So now I'll click this particular thing, okay, by excluding only the including only the XML logs, not any other things, okay. Now still you should be able to view some logs, okay. Host is equal to, why did not come, man? Okay, what?
Date time range, sir.
Oh, correct one. No, that is not the case, I guess, here. No. Where it went? This one I have got somewhere, this one, okay, because I had some issue with this, okay, earlier, last time, okay, same thing, it might be here also. Now just let me put this capital H. Did I give anywhere by any chance? Come on. No? Okay. Very simple. If you are not giving, I have another option. I will use that particular option. Source is equal to source type only. Source type is equal to XML. Okay, first, how many logs are there? Let me check whether the logs are coming under this particular category. If it is not coming, then we are going to change this. Okay, any logs are coming? Or my system itself having a fever? Again, anywhere here? SOURC, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Can someone try? Can someone try? Who is having bots even?
Yes, sir. One second, I will try.
Just because this Splunk sometimes, okay. XML. No. I'll try. See how much time it is taking to get all those things. See, around 2-3 seconds over. 2-3 seconds more. 5 seconds over. Which someone is already parallelly they are doing something. Okay, source I'll give. Source one.
What should I type in source type?
Source type, this just put XML, that's it. Okay. Source is equal to is equal to win. Okay, so this anyhow I'll get it logs, no problem. Okay, 100%. But source type I'm not getting. What is the reason? I don't know. Okay, so let it be. For this particular
Sir,
computer.
what if I check all source types, then select from that source
No,
type?
no, no, no. You will get it, but I don't know why that particular machine. I mean, like why that source type itself it is not there or what, I don't know. That
Okay.
is the reason. Okay. Only with using the source only we have to use this. Okay. So now this is the compromised machine, right? That's what we have come to know. Okay. But how you are going to say this machine only compromised without no evidence? Don't say anything. Yeah, it is coming like ransomware pop up and all. But next time you have to identify some things before attack happens, so you should know what and all happened in that particular process of getting compromised. Okay, so now just click on that particular host, filter only that particular computer logs with the where the sysmon logs are present. Okay, now sysmon logs are these. Okay, these are all sysmon logs on that particular computer. Okay, so whenever there is any sysmon logs are there, one thing you have to identify. Okay, once after you get this particular, where it went. Okay, in that. Okay, is there any removable media is there or not? Correct, right? Okay, so now you have come to know where it bring. Okay, you have come to know that where various IP addresses with which it is communicated. You can keep a note of it. Keep a note of it. Okay, stats count by destination underscore IP. I think it is there. Okay, destination IP. DST. Destination IP is not there. If it is not there, we will bring it. DST IP is not there. Nowhere. Okay, oh, then that time I should not be using this. Yeah, let me take this. Oh, sorry. Argument is invalid. Okay, we'll keep it like this. Error stats command by. Okay. See if there is any. So we are not getting anything. So next what we'll do, we'll go for check whether there is any removal disk is there in that particular particular machine or not. First we'll check the removable disk. Okay, let's take this, copy this and keep this query aside for you. Okay, keep this aside. Okay, now just keep it for time being. Okay, now first check on that machine any removable disk is there or not. Okay, so hardware related change, where we will come to know if someone is inserting pen drive and all, which logs we have to go and see.
Win event log.
Windows event logs only. Correct, I understand. Which log, source type or anything?
Port number, sir.
Huh?
Port number.
Registry logs, always remember. Because you are doing some hardware related change, right? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So source type is equal to win registry. Okay. Put it like this. Okay. Put it like this. Source type is like, so big. Okay. There are nearly, so many hundreds of logs are there, I guess. Not thousands of logs are there, 74,000 something. Is it simple, do you think? In this to
No, sir.
search for that particular thing, very difficult. Correct, right? So what we'll
Yeah.
do is, whenever someone inserts a pen drive, okay, so it will be having something called as friendly name, which is nothing but like the company name. or the, the name of the
Manufacturer.
pen drive, not manufacturer. You can rename it also. First you will get HP underscore 1X something, like that it will come, right? Later you can change it to Raghav or any name, correct?
Yes,
Right?
yes,
Okay,
sir.
that is called as friendly name. Okay, but that should be your company, what it is telling. Okay, all our pen drives should be with the name. Okay, this particular thing. Okay, got it, right? Okay, or we buy whatever we products which are approved is having this one. Okay, our internal, because IT admin team for some other activities they might also be using it, right? Okay, that time if you find any pen drive inserted, okay, and if he is by default, by mistake, he hasn't renamed it properly by the IT admin, then it is false positive case, because his intention is not to corrupt it, that machine, because his intention is to install software or something like that to work, to collect something or something else. Okay, but his intention was not that. But here we are looking for any such things, whether someone good guy or bad guy, if someone inserts pen drive, okay, how we are going to come to know? That is because of like this. Okay, just click friendly name. Okay, you got two occurrences, correct? Right? So someone is enumerated the USB. Okay, and this. Okay, now in this particular thing, this is okay, this is called as object. Okay, why I am saying object means if you see this particular if you see this particular thing, okay, let me merge it. Okay, if you see this particular thing, okay, left side you have so many fields under this USB enumeration. Okay, thing. Okay, everything left side here, like friendly name means name of the drive, what is the hardware type, and what is the some information, whatever it is there. Okay, that thing name, whatever it is, kind of a field, it is called as an object. What it is? What is this, guys?
Sir.
Object.
Object.
And what is the name that they have written? Okay, is called as value.
Friendly name.
While value, this is a field name kind of a thing, is called as object. Okay, you are telling field name, like same way object. Okay, field name is equal to src underscore IP address, source IP, and this is like source IP is 10.3.5.10. Like that in Win registry, whatever the thing is called as here object and its value. A object is there, which is kind of source underscore IP kind of a thing, and its value is 10.9. Like that hardware also will have something called as the object. Okay, in the in Win registry it will be stored like this, because Win registry means nothing but a small storage for helping the processor to easily get all the data whatever it required for like it will tell, oh, play this music on this particular hardware. Okay, where it has to go and check some registry, some memory is there, it will go and save, I am myself, I am this hardware, I am this hardware. So it will go which way, which hardware you want. Okay, it will go and like the object name is equal to, okay, the object is a friendly name, and the name is equal to this kind of a thing. Okay, so this is the object and this is the data, that is value, correct? Right? That is data. Okay, object and data, value means data. Okay, so now where it is. Okay, so for this you have come to know now this particular thing. Now what you can do is, okay, stat count by, or you can check how many occurrences also using table. Occurrences means okay, like this, same data if it is there also it will come. How many take this table, okay, count, or just put like this table, first object host name, first I'll put host object data. Okay. I want that information wherever it is there. Okay. Host. Okay, it has to be completely written, I guess. Yeah. Now you got it. Miranda PRI is the pen drive name. Okay. And how you come to know? Because of the friendly name. Okay. And on which computer? 2 event logs has got observed with this pen drive inserted on this particular machine. Got it right? Now is it clear
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
how to investigate something if someone inserted pen drive? Did I mention anywhere our host name here in this? No. You will get all the company, entire organization related, how many computers, pen drives or any external drives or anything they have inserted, you will get it. If you check this, if you do like this, got it right? Entire organization, you will get it. Correct, right?
Yes.
Wherever in Windows registry logs are there, all the computers throughout the organization, okay, what are all the computer names, host names, and what are all the pen drives they have inserted, or storage, external hard disk or something like that. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then I'm moving forward. Does anyone
Yes.
not understood anything here?
Sir,
Sir,
the same host I'm showing 2 times. Why it is like?
No, table it is. See, if I put stats, it is different. Stats count. Okay. By just instead of one event, here 2 events occurred. So see, events, how many are there? 2 events are there. Table, it will be not doing the calculations like, how we, this one, see, stats. So that's why stats only 2 events are there. It is consolidated and giving it. Okay.
Sorry, here count 2 means like 2 times he is.
Yes. This object friendly name observed 2 times with this particular Miranda friendly, and say if it is 1-1, okay, 2 events are there, but instead of Miranda, it is HP. Okay, so this company, this computer itself, friendly name, HP, here 1 and here 1. That's it. Got it, right?
Okay. Sir. Okay. So like he's 2 times inserted that pen drive into that system, right? So he generated 2 times the logs events.
Yes. You can say it like that. Okay.
Okay.
Now, then time also important, right? If that is the case, 2 times inserted or same time only you have observed, just underscore time if you put, okay. Without, if you put it as table, that is better. What time each incident occurred. Okay, it is on the same time only. Okay, got it right? You're able to see this, that inside if you go, you will come to know. Okay, we'll go inside. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you got how come to know how they have inserted the removal drive, right? No problem. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Let me. Give me a second. How to clear this? I don't know. Okay, let it be, no problem. Okay. So next, now we have got all those things. Now we have to identify the malicious file. What do you say? Malicious file we have to identify, right? Okay. I know 100%, okay, that any computer that gets compromised or, gets, suspicious or anything, okay, usually the drive, whatever it will be like, when I say it is the, what I can say, it is the pen drive. Got it right? Okay, which is pen drive will be like in our organization, our partitions will be CD. Okay, C is for user, D is nothing but, for all like, pen drive or hard disk or anything, D. Got it right? Okay. Now, if the pen drive is inserted, it will be in the D drive. So I want to know through the XML logs. Okay. Let me take this, whatever I have kept aside before some time. Okay, take that particular thing, copy. What I'll do, I know that the, okay, which logs will provide you, okay, not this one, which logs will provide you the processes that got executed?
Sys1.
Sysman, that is what you have to remember.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what you have to do, okay, you have collected the, the source, whatever this particular thing. Okay. Now, you know that on that particular machine, the, this particular machine, 100%, that someone has inserted, correct, right? So give that as also host is equal to filter. No need to go through other logs because you can 1 lakh logs are there. So now see how it will become. It will reduce to some 70,000 or how, I don't know, something. Okay, let us see how many. 6,000 is here. Okay, yeah, 28,000 means you reduced. Okay, now someone has inserted the pen drive. Now from there, give me a second, guys. So someone has inserted the pen drive. Okay, now in this particular pen drive, through which we might have pen drive means 100%. I know D drive registry, it said that something. Okay, now pen drive is nothing but 100% D drive. Okay, so now what I'll do, wherever D colon
Small, sir, small things.
Yeah.
So we come to know that someone is inserted the pen drive in the particular host, right, sir?
Yeah.
So then we get to know that there is particular time, right, sir?
That is what we have got it, right? Underscore
Yes,
time.
yes, sir. So after that time, so after some time we'll take that logs. So then we can come to know that, right?
No. That is like, it is like, blindly we are throwing stones. Got it, right? They might, attacker might sit quietly for next 2 days, 1 month, not to get detected. Got it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then everyone is busy with the Christmas holidays. That time he'll get up.
Yes, yes.
You got it, right? Immediately, that is not the, usual way that we have to proceed for.
Yes.
See, all the investigation needs concrete evidence.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So usually pen drive, if it is like inserted means D drive, correct, right? Okay. Now here, check how many locations, how many logs out of this 25,000 D drive invoked. Only 8, correct, right? Okay. Now I said something. Okay. Let me go back here. Okay. I mean, like later also I'll explain. What is the time? 26, 8, 24. Correct, right? 10, 12. Correct, right?
Yes,
Time.
sir.
Yes, sir.
16, 8, 24, 10, 12. Okay. 24. So 10, 12. Now you tell me, is this the same time? Is it underscore time? I'll put table underscore time. Okay. Now you tell me immediately as soon as when I inserted the pen drive. Okay. Slowly see this. Okay. The event started appearing. Got it, right? Okay. Let me put it to reverse. Reverse order means old time. Correct, right? Till new time. Okay. 10, 10,
13.
13 it is here. Correct, right? See, like this. Okay. But if you see this particular thing, okay, win registry, okay, means during that duration you can say, but it is not like 100%. It will happen that time itself. I'm just giving the time based also to reconfirm it on the same day during the same 10, 13 or 10, 17 or something like that. Correct, right? All this happens, then some other operations might happen out there. Okay. So now just giving you that information. That's it, nothing else. Okay. Now see the D drive, you got some kind of, confidence that the pen drive has inserted, correct, right? Someone. Okay. Now if someone inserted a pen drive, okay, and they are executing the logs, okay, what are the fields we have to help us, like where the process got executed, which exe got executed, which field helps us in sysmon? Any idea which field or which commands they have executed? How you will come to know which field helps us in sysmon?
Parent command.
Not parent command. You should say always command line and parent command line. First command line it has to come, means that is a suspicious one. I mean, like, that is the main command. This command invoked by who means parent command. Got it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Invoked means which was running earlier, that actually led to a you go and do this work, you go and do this work. Okay. Correct, right? Okay. So if there is some mistake happens when you are developing a project, okay, your code is not working. Okay. Who has developed means what your answer? Person A or person B or something like that you will tell. The manager has done that mistake, like that you will tell. What you will say?
Yes, sir, like that person.
Person only, right? So command line is the one which you have to remember. Okay. And who is his boss is parent command line. Yeah, it is important always, because which team he belongs to is the next question it comes. Correct, right? Important project they have to deliver. They say like, who is his boss? I want to talk to him also. Like that. Okay. Got it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that is it. Okay. So now stats. Now we will put stats. Okay. Now we know that in sysmon we will get that information stats. Okay. Command. Okay. Count by. Guys, this like, scenarios, if you are not explaining in the interviews, I'm writing and giving it to you. You are not going to, so at least you have to keep memorizing these things. You should be every day, you should practice these things. Practice in the sense, at least, yeah, if someone inserts it to pen drive, yeah, definitely. These are the registry logs. I will get the friendly name. That's it, simple. If someone like, uh, suspicious process, how you're going to, yeah, command line, parent command line, I'll have like that. Okay. So here you'll be having this is the one. Two fields I'm going to check. Okay. Command line. Okay. Parent command line. Okay. Okay. Now see this. What is the, things which you see, something more, uh, suspicious or something like that. Okay. Underscore time also I'll put. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah, 51 is there. Okay. Reverse only I want. Okay. Now tell me.
Command line is much bigger than we see in our system.
No. Okay. Yeah, that is first thing. That is excellent. Okay. That is the first one. Okay. Now, what and all happened, that is also important. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So how you are going to come to know about that particular part?
By looking at the command line, which commands are executed on that.
Executed. Correct, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now let us go here. Okay. First, what he has done? He has done the, all the, the things which are there with the D colon he has extracted. Now, the better way is command line and parent command line. If anything is there, please sort them. Okay. With, this particular thing under score time. That is what I have done. Okay. So just give me a second. I'll just update this particular thing over there in between. Okay. I'll put this one so that this guy doesn't. Okay. Now it will show. Oh. Same thing only. I'm just whatever his query, I'm just showing you. Okay. Command logs. It is the same thing. It will take some time. Wait. Okay. Now. Now, if you see, okay, command line and parent command. I have put parent command first. Okay. Yeah, command line. Okay, first and command line and parent command line underscore time. When is the first event occurred? Okay.
24/8/2016.
24/8/2000. Okay. 22/13/21. 22/13/21 from here. Okay. Now see this particular, let me myself also, I'll just use this command because it might be like, filtering out properly this particular thing. Okay, let me just remove this. Wherever the D drive is there in command lines, means command line, like, invoking of some process. Okay, that particular thing. Okay, let me just click. Or he is using table. Table only is using. Okay. Okay. Now see this particular thing. First, someone has actually, clicked on some file. Correct, right? Okay. Which is in the this particular, what it is, Windows Word.exe file. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, if you see this, correct, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So which is this particular .m file which they have invoked, and it launched the File Explorer. Okay. And it started running this particular command, which is a VB script. Got it, right? Okay.
VB script means what?
VB script is some kind of a scripting language which is used for, doing some kind of development activity of Windows.
Okay.
Yeah, Visual Basics. Okay. Development activities for Windows-based applications. That is like, regularly what these guys will use. Okay, our developers will use for, the some Excel automation nowadays. Okay, means like if they want, they can do some automation in Word or Excel and all. Okay, because yeah, still I think some VB scripts are there for Windows development also. Okay, but automation they do a lot. Okay, so that kind of a script, this one. Okay, so which is like, encoded or something. Okay, which we don't know. Okay, so now they have executed. This itself shows that, okay, something fishy. Correct, right? Command this much big, it is there. So something fishy. Okay, so now same thing only, no difference. Okay, same thing only. Whatever it is we are seeing here. Okay, so this particular command line. Okay, this particular command line. Okay, launched Explorer and executed this particular thing. Okay, and where it is, yeah. Next, Once after you come to know that, okay, in this any suspicious executables are there, you have come to know that, okay, D drive, so many things it has done on my D drive in my sysmon logs. I have come to know this many. Yeah, I can with my naked eyes I can come to know that there is suspicious, but always you don't know whether there could be some program itself which any IT department using for collecting some information or something, some script it might be running. Okay, wantedly they have written scripts. Okay, but it is the first thing what you have to do. I have found this. Is anyone can tell me what is this? Like your IT team or anything, you inserted any pen drive on that machine, the user or the IT team, you should get in touch with them and you have to, get it clarified ASAP. Okay, got it right? Okay, and now you are telling D drive, what and all are there in those logs. Okay, but in them, I would like to know what are the executables also, exe files also. Okay, which are having, the length. Okay, so that how you are going to know. Okay, now it is equal to any executables in them. Okay, and okay, what you are going to do is, first I want to evaluate. Evaluate is the command. Eval means I would like to calculate something. Okay, what you want to calculate? Length of each command, means how many characters are there in each command. Okay, as len length underscore, I mean, like you can write anything, length length underscore cmd line, something, whatever you want you can give. Okay, next, okay, then I would like to know the evaluate the length of parent command line also. Getting it right what I'm doing, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, simple, it is not any rocket science I'm doing here. Okay, okay, I think parent pay, okay, p, oh length, it should be, okay, len only I'll give, len
Control Z.
length. No, let it be. Which one? Okay,
Underscore parent.
parent underscore. Okay, now this one is clear, right? Okay, now just click command line. Okay, so something like, you are telling Arabic to me, I'm not able to understand this. Okay, that is what it is telling here. Okay, so yeah, evaluate command length, and they have not given any okay, you have to assign it. Okay, instead of this, okay, sorry guys, instead of this, okay, evaluate and put that in this particular result. My mistake, this one. Okay, evaluate, don't put as geese and all. Okay, my mistake. Okay, and put it in some field. Okay, I have created a new field called as length command line. Please provide me command line. What is the length? What is the length of the parent command line? Length underscore parent command line. Okay, now table. Okay, cmd. Oh, sorry, what is this? Okay, this one. These are two lengths, correct, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, first whether the lengths you are getting or not, you check. Come on, come on, come on. What happened? Okay. Still it is calculating. Okay, let it take. Okay, but we know, okay, outliers are here, correct, right?
Yes.
Something, dal mein kala, correct, right?
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes. Yes.
This is something suspicious. Okay, you got it right. I have given both. You can give anyone. I am always wants to be safer side to see both command line and parent command line. Okay, end of the day, command line only will get executed, but that is different case. Okay, so I have come to know about the the length. Okay, so now if you want, you can sort it out based on length also. Sort hyphen length also. Okay, just like sort hyphen len, the top one, because you might be having thousands of lines, correct, right, in the organization, correct, right? One is 63 commands, one is 2 commands. Like if I just remove this particular computer, entire organization who and all have used some pen drive, and in them what and all files they have executables they have executed. Okay, and I want length of them. Okay, then during that time you will get thousands and thousands of lines. So that time the sort is like is useful for based on the length. Okay, which length you want, whether you want this length you want to sort or this length you want to sort, it's up to you. You just copy that and just paste it. So here I am just trying to do using the command line. Okay, that's it. Okay, got it right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Okay, now this is done. Okay, now simply it won't stay there, right? Correct, right? Okay, what it will do, it will try to invoke any file connections or something, file server connections or anything. Let us show you that. Okay, the command got executed. Okay, correct, right? That you have come to know, no problem. Okay, still it is loading, let it be, no problem. Okay, now say when we analyze ransomware attack, one of the question we should ask is what connections are impacted the system, means like what and all connections it made. Like this, as soon as this execution happened, okay, what connections are made, we know. Through win registry also we have come to know that pen drive is confirmed, and this one. Okay, for my sake, okay, next step what I should follow. Okay, so I know the logs from this machine. Okay, super, logs from that particular machine. Okay, no problem. Okay, and then after receiving that, now we have Bob's workstation host name, and we have that facts that, okay,
IP address 100.
yeah, but we have to validate it, but we cannot directly what type of connections it made. First we have to check. Okay, like that blindly I'll go. Okay, instead of like going with the file name where it is meant. Yeah, here the sorting is happened. Now I don't want anything. Okay, now what I want is, okay, this particular computer with what and all the communications it made, that I would like to have. Okay, for that what you have to do, this is this computer name we know, correct, right? What is the computer name?
Operational.
This is the computer name. What is this? This is the computer name, correct, right? Host.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now just to put this particular host. Okay, stats count by, okay, if this is the thing, okay, now I would like to see this computer. And one more thing, first get the logs. Okay, get the logs from this computer, sysmon logs. Okay, so now you have to computer host you have, but you should be only the one who is sending the logs. Means which field I have to give? You should be the only one. You should be the only one sending the, trying to establish the connection. Then what should be the field I have to keep next?
Parent.
Get request.
No. Source. Correct, right?
Source.
Okay.
Correct, right? Source I have to keep. Okay. So source IP address or anything. Okay. Now the source, when you see here, okay, IP address, whether it is there or not, even I don't know. Source host name is there. Okay, we can use that also. Source IP also is there. Okay, but multiple things are there. Okay, but let us take source host name. I'll take source host name. Source. Where? Yeah.
Above that source.
Where?
Source IP above.
No.
Above the source IP.
Above that, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
that's-
okay. Let us take this particular thing. Okay, put it here. Where it is here. Okay, is equal to whatever it is the value. Correct, right? What is the value? It is where it is source host name. Yeah, I will give this particular thing. Okay, from this particular computer, I'm clearly telling from this particular computer. Okay, stats count by. Okay, what is telling? Okay, if you get this particular thing, okay, please destination IP is what and all it has made communication. Okay, please, make sure that particular information to be displayed. Means this computer which is inserted the pen drive, okay, which where the pen drive is inserted, is this computer is communicating with any other system in the organization. Okay, that is what it is all about. Okay, so now we are going to the destination IPs for that particular computer. Correct, right? Okay, just wait, and there is no destination IP. Okay, now we have to go and see the logs. Okay, where it is destination DEST MNOPQR DEST. Anywhere DEST is there?
No.
Okay, then I don't rely on this syslog itself, source itself. What I'll rely? I'll directly rely on this particular machine itself. Okay, now this machine definitely it should have both source and destination IP addresses. Come on, source IP, destination IP, DEST IP. Yeah, destination IP. Yeah, now it cannot escape. Okay. Oh, sorry. That time also you would have got it, but it is destination IP. Okay, like this. You would have got it. Okay. Underscore is not there. For these logs, you also have to clearly check what is the logs. Okay.
What? Okay.
Yeah, this is the thing which my system has communicated to the external world. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I would like to sort. Okay, hyphen. Okay, based on count to which computer I have actually made a lot of connections. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, definitely nice will be there. Okay. Okay, if you are seeing here something, correct, right? All these are like, how it is and how it is, these two. These two looks to be somewhat suspicious, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
My system is try to communicate with these two systems, looks to be suspicious for me because it is beyond the regular activity. Correct, right?
Yes.
Regular count is like, like this. And these two have got significant, too much events. Okay. Guys, everybody understanding this? Whatever I'm explaining? Everyone?
Yes.
No, I am asking everyone.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
huh?
Yes, sir.
Sure, 100%. Huh? Step by step, I'm explaining. Please be careful. Okay, note down if you want whatever I'm explaining. Means note down in the sense, just first inserted the pen drive. Then after that, noted down this, like, friend, identified the friendly name. That much only, not required, like, whatever I'm explaining also you have to listen. Okay. Okay. You can do it later recording when next time you are listening, you can do that. Okay. So now you got the two outliers. Okay. Okay. This one and this one. Okay. Outliers means who are standing out to be somewhat, falling out of the line. Means these are all in one line and these two are somewhat different, like too many. Okay. So now you come to know about that particular part also. Okay. Super. Okay. Now, anywhere, okay, anywhere, okay, any point of time, okay, are you able to see if there is any such thing called as file share service or anything in Windows registry? Okay, that file, whatever the pen drive, when you inserted, right? Okay, does it try to do any kind of registry level access when registry? Correct only, right? Okay, and the computer is the same and source is the same. Okay, what you are doing is there by any chance, have you seen, this is the host, give me a second. This is a computer. Okay, have you seen by any chance that any file share services or anything, not service, file share kind of a thing, like anything you have seen in the registry? Okay, but man, what? Oh, source type it is. Okay.
For the source type, we need to add any add-on or not. We are not getting logs for Windows register.
Who said that? We are getting it right that time. Now this time is something different. That is the reason, I think. No.
The starting also you added your login like
Okay. Okay. Win. Win registry only. But why it is not coming? Sometimes it will be sleeping. We should not disturb it. Okay. Then host name is desk. Correct, right? Okay. Now it will come. See, host name, this is. Okay. Now in this, by any chance, file share is there. File I'll put. That's it. Oh. Yeah, it is there. My bad, it is. Okay. So file share, double quote, I missed. Okay. So how many things have got? How many events?
8.
18 events. Okay. This is also somewhat suspicious, right? Okay. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So mount point, okay. Someone tried to connect some mount point through Explorer. Explorer means shared folders. Okay. Shared folders will be there, right? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Registry will record if someone is to the shared folders where it is somewhere in the network. If they are trying to, connect, means Explorer, through Explorer only they have to connect. Without like this, will there be any position? This you are able to see here to your naked eyes. Even in the background, you should go to this Explorer, then only you should be able to save. GUI you won't see it, but internally background it will happen. Okay. So does anyone Windows Okay. Explorer has opened by any chance where they are connecting to some, okay, computer for file share. Got it right? So Explorer is the important thing for confirmation. You have file share, you are trying, okay, some computer IP should be there first. Yeah. To that particular IP, whether like through Explorer you went or not, to check it in the registry logs. Got it? This is one more confirmation that you made. So now sometime before, let me go back. Let me go back here. I'll keep comparison using this, but oh, this is what everything Chitrana only. Okay, fine. Okay.
File sharing means like it is moving the file from one location to the multiple location. Right?
First to file sharing means what? File sharing connection.
Establish the connection.
Connection or any service, not service in the sense, not that your computer is like, through network, it is like, going and making a connection.
Web,
Yeah.
sir?
No. See, as I said so many times, SMB protocol where we are going to use.
Okay.
Computer network shares like this, right? Network, like you are going to, make a connection using, this is what Explorer means.
Okay.
File Explorer, like Explorer.
Yeah, File Explorer kind of thing. Yeah, you can say. Explorer, everywhere it is there. Every file is there in the Explorer. Through Explorer only you can access.
So,
Correct, right?
File share means like the service, one of the service to share the files.
Yeah. Okay. Now, did there? Okay, right, guys? That also you have identified. Correct, right? Okay. Now, what is the, that particular thing, registry key path you have noted down, but it is of no use. Okay. Only thing that is useful for you is this one. Correct, right? 800 events we have seen, right? That time also. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, okay, same thing only. I'll put it over here. Control here. Control V. Let me have one more. Okay. So now what I'll do, this particular one. Okay. What is this? Bots even registry. Okay. What is this? One more other way to find, that is what Explorer, if you put, okay. If you put it by registry key name, like that also you'll get the same, these results. The registry keys will be there, right? Okay, the objects and values. Okay, in that, whichever is having similar kind of, network related connection registry keys, then you will come to know. Okay, two ways. Explorer you can put, or you can directly, file share, any word is there or not, stats count by, okay, key underscore path. That's it. Got it, right? You will get this count. Okay. So now what I'm doing is, guys, any doubt here? Guys,
No.
go ahead. Huh?
Sir, what is meant by key path here? Like
key path, registry level key paths. Okay, in the sense the same thing, whatever it is.
like location.
What do you see? Where in Explorer, where the user has given the command, right?
Okay, the location. Okay.
That key, where it has to go and communicate. Okay. Something like that. Some value where they have entered key. Okay. This is key path, means complete registry keys. Okay. No, I don't want. What is the name which the user has inserted? Okay. So these are the things which users have inserted. Registry keys. Got it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now let it be. We don't want waste our time over there. Okay. Now we have come to know that this looks to be somewhat suspicious IP. Correct, right? Correct, right?
Yes.
Guys, to this system, we are making the not suspicious, means this is going to be a victim now. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, anyhow, this computer itself is a victim. Okay. Now it is going to attack this machine also. Correct, right?
Some other
Okay.
machine. Like.
Yeah, some other machine. You are trying to spread your tentacles. Okay. Or you are going to get some information from that computer. Got it, right? Or you are going to, put some file over there. You might be using it for anything once after you establish the connection. Maybe you might have already compromised that machine and you kept some file over there. From here, you are trying to reach there and you might be trying to download that particular file. Got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything is possible. Just you don't know anything. You should be with open mind only. You have to go. Got it, right?
This is also our PC only.
Yes. Absolutely.
Both are our.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now till here it is there. Okay. Now we'll go to the next. Okay. So identifying the first domain name visit by the victim. Okay, means this particular. Okay. Why is it required? Why is it required?
So not to harm other.
Hmm?
Not to harm other pieces.
Means is
So we can block his IP.
no. What and all domain names visited by this particular computer? Why?
There is a chance to infect that systems also.
No, domain name I am talking about. This computer, what are the domain names it is tried to visit? What does it tells? Step by step. Yeah.
Made connections with it. Send requests. Get requests.
Send requests only for what purpose?
For establishing connections or
So like for DDoS attack.
With whom? With whom?
with those domain names.
Anything like he might be trying to for identifying the suspicious activity. Yeah, normal browsing will also be there. I'm not talking about that. No, for it is the intention why we are looking at that logs, because he might be trying to reach out to command and control center. Correct, right? Where he wants to wait for once after he establishes the connection, he'll get the instructions from that particular website where he's visiting. Okay, he might be copying some instructions from there and he's trying to execute on this computer. Or as someone said, like he might be doing some DDoS attack. He wants some instructions to which IPC has to send a continuous SYN request. Anything could be possible. Correct, right? But what we want from this computer, what and all computers have actually it tried to establish, what and all domain names it tried to establish connection, because external means always domain is required. Am I correct or not? Direct with IP, no one will do connections. Correct, right? Definitely through domain only it will allow our computers also. Correct, right? It has to be to Google or it has to be to Facebook, but it is not like your IP address 10.5.10.3. Okay. That kind of IP addresses, our firewalls or nothing will allow. Got it, right? To the external. If the destination is just an IP and it is not and the domain name is also IP address, means it won't allow. Got it, right? Okay.
Yes,
so remember something, they might be like, attacker. I said the DGA, domain generation algorithm, sometime before. Correct, right? Automatically, if there is some software in this particular compromised machine, they are generating the random URLs. Correct, right? Guys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
New URLs, this will be generating in your computer, hoping that the same URLs will be there in the internet as well. Correct, right? Because the time at which it is like, invoked, okay, during this particular time, my attacker might have actually created this domain and made it registered. So that is the reason I said you have to check for baby domains, all these things. Correct, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Remember, you guys? If
Yes,
you are not slept on that day, you might have remembered it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Remember.
Okay. Fine. Now what you have to, okay. Now I want that particular, like here host, all these things are there. Forget about that particular part. As I said, now domain names we will go. Okay. Domain name we'll be seeing. Okay. So what is our source IP address? Correct, right? That is our victim machine. Correct, right? Okay. Victim's machine's IP address is this one.
Is utilizing these victim machines for external purpose.
Yes. Okay. For external purpose. Okay. So for that, source type is equal to DNS logs, stream : DNS. Okay. What are the fields, important fields in DNS I told? Guys, here only I'll write. What are the important fields I said? IPv4 means what? Here, not host, sorry. This should be an IP address. Huh? A record. Record A, correct. Okay. If IPv6 means?
Four times a record.
If it is trying to resolve, hey, I want this domain name IP address, okay, which is IPv4. I want IPv6. This is very hard, you see. Okay. Now, if I want to send a mail, correct, right? Possible, right? Okay. That time MX record. Okay. I have, okay, IP address. I have IP address. If I want domain name, means I will go for PTR, reverse. Okay.
Pointer.
PTR record. Okay. Okay. If someone is carrying, okay, some kind of, okay, TXT means like, public keys or anything, okay, through your computer to the external, this is important. Apart from your company related data, in TXT records, no other information should be going unless if it is like, very much important. But just remember, these are the, regularly they'll be asking you. Okay. Maybe this also they'll ask. Okay. Got it, right? Huh? So now I want to get the IPv address 4. Correct, right? Got it, right? My victim machine is there. Okay. Index is equal to bots v2 v1, right? Okay. Source type is equal to win registry. Okay. Let it take this. Okay. This one I'll put it all. No, here IP addresses won't be there. Okay, sorry. But here you won't get IP addresses. Source type is equal to win XML. Okay. Come on. By any chance, no. Source type. What, man? It is dying. Source type, source is equal to, so this is dying. Index is equal to bots v1. Okay. Source is equal to XML in. Okay. Take this. Okay. Yeah. Now in this, what I want, host is equal to this one. Correct, right? Guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you guys are in Wonderland?
Yes, sir.
Okay, SRC IP, source IP address. Okay. SRC source, okay, IP. Okay, looks to be this one only, because the most of the events that are coming out from here only, because it might be there, okay, but This is the source IP. Okay, you might be getting it, but still in the easiest way to get it. Okay, put it, man. 192, 168 to 250.
Got 100.
Okay. Now, first of all, this how many, where and all it is present. Correct, right? Okay, both how many times it's sent and received, but we want only the SRC IP only it is there, right? Okay, thank God. SRC underscore IP from this particular computer. Okay, from this particular IP address. Now you cannot use computer name here because DNS doesn't know which computer is sending. Only the IP address which had requested me, only it knows. Correct, right? Okay, so SRC underscore IP is equal to this IP address, and I want from the DNS logs. Okay, please provide me all the connections this made to DNS server. It said, okay, all these things. Okay, here and all it is there. No, I want, okay, please list me, okay, table. Okay, here something record will be there. MNOPQR query. What query it has asked? Okay, here query type means which request type, query type. Okay, you asked a record or for a record, all those things. Okay, I will use stats only. Stats count by. Okay, yeah. Something star. Okay. What do you say, guys? Okay. PTR. Correct, right? It is coming PTR. IP2, domain name it is asking. I have IP address. Please provide me domain name. Okay, let it be. We are least bothered about. Okay. But here, okay, if you see this particular thing, okay, with whatever the logs that are currently available for us, okay, what they have done, they have tried to see, okay, what are the a record request, means which are the domain names they have tried. So how you can do it? Okay, record type is equal to, okay, query type is equal to a only I want. Okay, and I want, okay, the list of the domain names, like where you will get whether it is a domain name or not, how you will come to know. Okay, it will be like what is the query you have made, not query type. What is the query means, which is the, like you ask for google.com or facebook.com, for which IPv address for you want. Okay, so that thing you are going to give it here. Okay, got it, right? All these domain names it try to communicate. Correct, right? Okay, now how many are there here?
Lot of
domain names. This is what you'll do during the investigation. Copy this domain name. Main here only you have to copy, not full. Main here only you copy. Okay, the domain name. Okay, IP. Okay, virus total. Okay, go here. Okay, whether this is search for this domain name, whether it is suspicious or not. Okay, what it is telling? It is clean. Correct, right? Overall.
Yes.
So windows.com is good. Correct, right? It is not any suspicious. Okay, so what we'll do? We should ignore. Correct, right? Okay, so what I'll do to ignore anything? Okay, I'll just give some space here. Okay, where query type is equal to this one, but query, whatever I'm asking, query. Okay, query, this particular query not equal to, got it, right? Okay, windows.com. Okay, let it be after that, whatever it is there.
There are many.
Before to that, anything is there. Okay, yeah, tell me.
There are so many. How can we identify which one?
That's what. That's what good things you should have, keep track of good domain names.
Okay.
Okay. And you can give it to like, a table you can create and you can refer directly that table here.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Lookup table, there is something I told you, right? Lookup table. You can create one Excel CSV file of good all websites and you can give that reference here, that name you give here.
Okay.
Okay, that table name you can give it here, lookup table we call. Okay, so now that query now, but here we are learning right now, right? We'll do manually everything. Okay, so query is equal to windows.com. Okay, correct, right? Now 234 are there. Let us see. Okay, now how many reduced? 10 reduced, some 7 or 8 reduced. Okay, now I feel this is also something good, correct, right? Okay, but still Microsoft good or not, how you will come to know? Go and check. It can be some different also, correct, right? Okay, so now it said it is good, correct, right? Okay, now I would like to put these things here, like in the bracket now. Okay, or okay, query name, okay, query name is not equal to okay, Microsoft is equal to, and at the end put star and put this. Okay, before also Microsoft, before also so many things can, it can be there. Just click search. Okay, what Microsoft something.
It came from
What?
Sir, instead of that putting not equal to sign, we can put an NOT before the
That's
bracket.
what I am just checking that only.
not you can give.
Yeah. That earlier we have done, right? For IP address or for what purpose you have done?
IP only, internal IP.
Internal IP. Okay, now it will jump. Only for one thing it will come. Oh, Control Z. Okay.
That not equal to, again we kept inside also.
No. Here. Okay. This one. Okay. I want this. Okay. Now it has come down 149. Correct, right? Okay.
Yes.
Then here office.com is there. Okay. Next item is this one. IS tab. Yeah, I have done some research. This is like, to come. Yeah, this is some kind of Windows related thing only. It is not anything, but for your sake, okay. What is this means is an inter-site automation tunneling protocol that your computer is trying to, make an establishment with through DNS only. It will be like, going. Okay. So this is like, Windows related protocol only, nothing to worry about that. Okay. If you find anywhere. Okay. But still use this. Okay. See, no match or anything found. So you can ignore, correct, right? Okay. So this also you can include. Okay. Where it is. We'll do it step by step. Okay. No hurry. Okay. Guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because the same patience is required when you are doing the investigation. Else.
So this investigation has by adding an add-on, it has taken all the bots B1, B2, and this investigation tool only given this step-by-step fields.
Yeah. There it is there, right? I have asked you to install the app, right?
By looking
this one.
Yes.
And go and select the ransomware scenario. That's what I said yesterday also. Okay. Fine. Okay. Let it be. Where it is. Okay. Like this you can do it. Okay. Now what happened? This is the third one. Okay. Which is IS tab. Okay. If anything before or after also, if it is there, no problem. Okay. Put it over here. Okay. Before also means like this. Okay. Just in case. Okay. Next 52. Correct, right? This one, windowsupdate.com. Whether it is a good site or not, I don't know. Okay. Usually it is a Microsoft one. It should be good. Correct, right? Okay. So query type. Okay. So we are bringing down that value. Got it, right? WPAD is also a good site only. Nothing to worry. That is Windows related only. Not site it is. It is some kind of service or something. Okay. It's malicious or something. Nothing. Okay, here. Malicious or not. With somewhere they are asking some questions about this particular thing. Okay. He's asking, is it suspicious or not? That's it. Okay, leave it, man. Okay, that is also not suspicious actually. Microsoft Online is there. Okay, apart from that, MSF is also there. Wayne Corp. Okay.
Candy Crush Soda. Doing not.
Yeah. Oh, wait here. Okay. This is also not suspicious. Correct, right? Okay. So what we can do? We can put this also. Okay. And paste it over here. Okay. WPAD also we have to do. I forget that. Okay. WPAD star. Okay. Until here. Okay. Just to search it. Okay. That also gone. Microsoft Online. That also we have to do. Okay. Anyhow, this is also, but you have to do manually search it. Okay. I know. So that is the reason I'm giving here like this. You also do like that, then you will be in trouble. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because we don't know what he'll do. Microsoft FF you'll put R0 you'll put here. Got it, right?
Yes, sir.
So that will become looks like, you know, good website, but it is actually
Malicious website.
malicious one. So you have to make sure. For me, I know this. I might have seen this many number of times. So that's the reason I say like everything is good. Why I set up again has come? Did I not give? I set up.
Or we forgot, sir. Or
Where are?
after the ISO tab. After the pad, W pad.
Okay, but still, what is there? R I'll give. What is there? Okay. Okay. So now total 55. Now we have come to, you know, this thing. And the msn.com we know, right? It is a good site only, right?
Yes, sir. Microsoft.
Yes. Okay. Now that also we will consider as good. Okay. Copy.
Nice. Download.
Okay. MSN. Correct, right? MSN.com. Why putting star before also means like, you know, it might be having tile or traffic from that company, subdomain. Okay. No need to worry about them also. Okay. Now, live also it is from Microsoft only, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, right? Okay. 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 How many are there? 44 are there. So Bing.
Yes, sir. That is also from Microsoft.
Correct, right? It's not Bling. It is Bing. Okay. Sometimes you will put instead of I, you'll put L. Okay. You think Bing. Then you will, oh, no need. Okay, so you have to always do your research. Okay, so then Omni-root, American, whatever OEM if I see nowadays, American, what is that? That only, right? Where it is 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, here. Okay, so total 40 are there. Okay. Now virtual earth. Okay, like see sequentially will take. Okay, copy this. Okay. It looks to be somewhat. Now, if it is good means you can open that. Okay. Akama is akama.net. The website itself, it is not there, but just keep it. Okay. But let it be like this. You will be keep going on. Correct, right? Okay. All of those systems. Okay. You will be ignoring. Okay. So that particular, you will come to know only the suspicious domain names. I will, you do all those, you have to make sure you have to provide me the list of domain names by tomorrow, what and all are there. Okay, that will be helpful. Okay, so now I have done. Correct, right? Till domain names we have. What are the communications it is establishing? We have done. Remaining part tomorrow morning, some half an hour we'll see. Okay, let me how much determine the specific domain names. Okay, remaining part I'll explain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the complete scenario. Okay, will you go through this today? Till here we have completed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, remaining this thing. So now you guys tell me the various steps you understood now, right? How
Yes,
you have
sir,
to
yes.
go through. Huh?
Yes, sir.
If someone give you,
Yes,
correct,
sir.
right? Okay then. Yeah, fine then.
By inserting one pen drive, this many things has